Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a taste test on something that's like I bought last week, which are these taiyaki, but because expiring tomorrow, kind of need to eat it like today. But you see, I wasn't gonna get two. But because it's like, I like red bean, but I've never heard of a blueberry one. So I'm like, get them. So red bean, blueberry. Which one to try first? I want to say red bean, but like, obviously I know what red bean tastes like. Therefore, I'm not gonna like, try red bean first. But yeah, and sorry, replying to message. And forgot, you know I got an Apple Watch? I didn't buy it. I got it as a gift from my boyfriend. But yeah. So this isn't the like topic right now. But talking about the taiyaki, blueberry, red bean, when it was the other way, but then I put it down and it became whatever. But I'm just gonna try the blueberry first because I know what the red bean tastes like, and I know red bean tastes good in taiyaki. And one sec. Okay. Blueberry. Smells good. It just smells like the outside more than blueberry. Not complaining. And when eating taiyaki, I go for the like the head of the fish before I get to the tail, just because it's different, okay? But I prefer fresh ones because then it's more like crunchy. But smells good. Very oily. It's actually not bad. Unless I haven't gotten to the blueberry. The blueberry isn't bad. Actually tasted. Never tried a blueberry taiyaki, but red bean I've had lots because I get them fresh when I go like downtown or to Galleria. Tastes better downtown than it does at Galleria. Not gonna lie, okay? I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. Still got the red bean. And I'm sorry if it's really loud. It's because this the stove is on and the fan, forgot what the name is. Oh crap. But okay. Now, red bean. I mean, red bean, I should know what it tastes like, but I'd like to see if that actually tastes better than blueberry. But I mean, it should. But I'm gonna say, like, if this doesn't taste as good, I mean, if it doesn't taste better than blueberry, then I'm gonna be really shocked. Don't smell as good as the blueberry one. It actually doesn't taste as good as the blueberry one. I'm surprised. I thought the blueberry would be like not as good as the red bean. But it's a complete opposite. No, the blueberry, wait, did I say that wrong? Yeah, the blueberry isn't as good as the red bean. Red bean isn't as good as the blueberry. But, holy crap, it's dry. But basically, blueberry is actually the winner over the red bean. And I thought red bean would be the winner. It's just really dry. And I guess not as sweet. But blueberry. But yeah. I'm gonna eat these two and then film another taste test of something else. Bye.